Just another quickie here. We do have 2 RVs. A lot of people say, why do you have 2 RVs? You know, one's expensive enough. Well, you got that right. Show me both of your RVs. Well, I'm not gonna move them around and show them to you at the same time, but I am over here, you know, doing some maintenance on the Super C. But this is our 1-day trip, 2-day trip. You know, jump in the Turismo ION and go. Here's where we park our Super C Accolade. It's Malibu blue. Those that have, I don't know if you can tell or not, but running the generator, doing some maintenance here. But luckily there's no one parked next to us, so I was able to scoot over and put the slide outs out, running the AC, putting a load on the generator. But this is the RV if we're gonna be gone a while, tailgating at Auburn. Gonna go somewhere for a week, go to the beach, go to the mountains for a week, just bounce around from harvest host to harvest host, drinking wine and beer and whatever. Or fresh vegetables is always good too, right? At Harvest Host, a lot of options there. We don't like it to park it, to camp with it up in the air, but it's up there so I can scoot under it and spray underneath. But yeah, the Super C is a beast, 37K, and Samson, we call it, Freightliner. We do pull a 4-door Jeep Wrangler behind it. So there you have it, folks. This is Rod, and this is how I roll. I roll in an Accolade, Integra Accolade, every chance I get. But if I can't roll in the Integra Accolade, I roll in Baby Shark. Yep, it's the color of a shark. And yeah, some people blur out their tags. Yeah, I was a little bit worried about my ladder back here blocking my tag. Haven't gotten pulled over yet, but there it is. Shark gray color, got a fin up top, so we call it the Baby Shark. Who else has 2 RVs? Tell me what you have. Class A, Class B, Class C, a travel trailer, and a Class A, travel trailer. What you got? Take care, y'all. Happy RVing.